Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow green onions in containers. Choose containers with drainage and at least 4 inches depth, then fill them with a light, well-draining potting mix enriched with compost. Plant sets or cuttings about 1 inch deep and space them 1 to 2 inches apart. Water gently to... In this video, I will show how to grow green onions in containers. Begin by choosing sets for a fast start or seeds if you want varieties and control. Plant sets 1 inch deep and space them 1 to 2 inches apart, or thin seedlings to that spacing. Keep soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, and use gentle fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks to encourage steady, healthy growth and larger bulbs. In this video, I will show how to grow green onions in containers. Quick recommendation: if you love neat harvests and tidy kitchens, try those leak-proof containers that make storing scallions effortless and spill-free. They fit fridge shelves and pack lunches without mess. If this tip helps, please like and subscribe for more useful guides, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to grow green onions in containers. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry and feed lightly every 3 to 4 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Thin crowded plants to maintain airflow and prevent disease, and pinch tips to encourage bushier growth. Harvest green tops anytime, or pull entire plants when bulbs form. Store extras in the fridge or replant roots for a continuous supply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.